friends and fellow hobbyists, welcome to Cut Dreams in Styrene. I'm your host Gary G, and today we're gonna start a brand new build. It's called the Mean Machine and it's part of the Big Rig group build. But first, as always, the riddle. Where was the original Peterbilt plant? A. Oakland, B. Boston, or C. Detroit? The answer is always at the end of the show. This week we want to show what we came up with for the Big Rig group build, hosted by Thomas Saltis and Jeff's Model Garage. This is our first attempt to make a truck, and of course we needed to do it the Mr. G way. But first I want to say thank you to Thomas and Jeff for hosting that build. It was a lot of fun. Thank you. First thing when we open a model kit is always looking for a motor. And oh brother, what a big beautiful motor was in there. So we want to share some footage from the build of that motor. Have fun. From 1939 until the mid-80s, the company was based in the East Bay area of Northern California. But where was the original Peterbilt plant? See in the riddle. Well, it seems our little Saturday morning show comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of time with us. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday for more of the Big Red Group Build. But now, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. Well, this build didn't start at all.